Should be recording this ladder building. Here, let me see.
No, that's okay.
No, I got to. No, we need, not you, we need it for the video. Not, you just happen to be the one help building it, that's all. You think people want to see my sexy body? Yeah. That's how Sarah she laughs at me. I'm singing that song, I'm too sexy. So I go by the mailbox. People are whistling. So unbelievable. Okay, one side of the ladder done. Yeah, get in the pool. I'll push you over.
I think I'll wait for the other side.
Is there anything else you want to do that for right now? Is it okay?
It's fine until I can get in.
You might want to, if you get an upwind,
I think it'll be alright.
I would just watch it because you get an upwind because that thing can flip. I mean, sometimes you get a breeze. I'm just saying, I have to be careful. You want to get out the ground.
Sorry.
I think this one's on there.
That might be.
Alright, A's and B's. Let's just put one side on the other.
Why?
Because it's hard to line these up at the same time with nothing to hook it to. See?
You know you got 3 ports?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You want me to do this? Huh? The other one's not a port.
Oh no, it's the
Oh, is that a port?
there's a port right here.
Oh, well, that's cool.
You got an A and BB. And not for sure what the B is.
Well, I think they have 2 that go to the pump, maybe. But that'll be fine with me. We'll figure something out.
No, I got it on sideways.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta. If you try to do both at the same time, then you just work. Let me do that one.
I thought they were supposed to be like that.
You gotta turn the plastic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's fine. It's easy to do. Just cover it up. That's why it gets so confusing. That's why I just do one at a time until you get started. Then you have no choice. Then you have no choice to do multiple.
Right.
You hold that. See, that's the thing, is this stuff, that's neat, but it pops off of there so easy. That's the part that's scary, how easy it pops in.
There we go.
Don't say beat in the chair. You got it upside down. You literally have it upside down. Look at it.
Do it? Oh, bummer.
You're cut off. You've been drinking too much. It's 5 a.m. All right, wait. You're getting ahead. The thing's wrong. Wait.
I'm waiting.
I know. You're not helping. Because you're putting shit on it. Doesn't need to go on. You're not helping. Because you're not waiting. It's not lining stuff up, and it's hard to do by yourself. That's what I was trying to tell you. There you go. One step then the other. Thank you. That's tricky. Now we're getting better at it. The contractor supposed to be ladder builders.
Nope. Not happening. The good thing is the ladder never comes apart. That's a good thing. Okay. Once you build it, we don't tear the ladder down. We store it that way.
Then you gotta put the tops on first.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, just pull the tops on. We gotta put them together. Tops. Leave the plastic on there.
Why?
So we could. Now, do they go inside or outside?
Well, these have
Now,
to
you
go
know
on
what
the
sucks?
outside.
See, these are supposed to be snap-ons. They got bolts on them all?
We got bolts.
That's cheap. Dude, you gotta turn it in. You gotta turn the ladder to fit. There you go. Yeah, the nicer one has snaps. They got chintzy on this ladder then. Because the other one we got, remember that bigger ladder?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now we need all that stuff. Yeah, I thought they were all stamp on, that's why I said do that.
Yeah.
And then might as well put. Now this is for 52 inch. This is for 48, I think. Is that gonna fit? Is this the 48? Or are you going to the higher one?
Let's go to the higher one. Otherwise it won't fit.
It won't fit.
Oh, that must be for the 3-foot one then.
Yeah.
We got other bolts.
Oh,
And then you put the nut sides out.
Do you want to catch people's legs?
Then we gotta put a washer on each end. Huh? Well, I know, but I thought you look at the picture. When you start doing this, I look at the picture before I do start doing it.
Just like that.
Does it show? Alright, yeah, but wait, look at the picture. So it shows one washer,
It shows
two
everything,
washers.
everything on the inside, and you just stick this thing.
Well, why would it do that? So you're saying everything on the inside?
Yeah.
And it must be the bar holds that then. Alright, well that's good to know because then it saves us menagerie.
Now, I don't have a screwdriver.
Go buy some. What do you need?
We have flathead.
Vodka and orange juice? That's enough to get her in the pool. Let's try the secret woman. Use your super strength. Oh, we're gonna have to put one down here to hold the ladder together.
Right. Well, let's get the little bars in.
Go into the bar. Get the pool ladder together. Do you think that they would have a nicer thing? Yeah, this should be snap pins. You know, like the other ladder we got that's bigger. It's a snap pin one. This one won't fit in.
We got it in. It's portable.
And we'll just have to tighten these up later. This will get you in
That's
the pool.
fine. I think I'm gonna take my shoes off though, because they're awful dirty, and I don't want it on the clean pool.
Okay, well, it's up to you. You want to try washing them off?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take the shoes off, sock off, go in.
Okay, wait a
I
minute.
think I'll survive.
That's the ladder video. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for a like, share, subscribe. It's simpler than it looks in some ways.